Right, another plant to put up. Here we have Argyroderma. I'll get the name right in a minute. Argyroderma fissum. Argyroderma fissum. It's quite a old name plant. It goes back to Haworth and Bolus, Louise Bolus. Flowers are purple. I don't think this one's ever flowered, but I'm pretty sure the flowers are purple. Anyhow, this is not typical of the Argyroderma. The Argyroderma is normally a more squat plant, roundish in shape. Some have got wider leaves apart. You've got Argyroderma patens. Patens meaning open, and that refers to the leaves being far apart, or they're not joined so much as, say, Argyroderma Schlecterii, which is like a little ball almost. Now these plants normally come from an area in South Africa called the Knersvlakte. I think I pronounced it right, Knersvlakte. This is in the Western Cape. The Knersvlakte gets its name from the fact that there are a lot of quartz stones, and as you walk across them, so I was told, you get like a crunching sound, and that was where the name came from. Another bit of useless information. Anyhow, the name Argyroderma, probably know, Argyro meaning silver. Think of Argentina, where silver was discovered. Silver itself is argentium. This is where the name comes from. And derma, obviously, stem or skin. So it's silver skins. Fissum, I believe it refers to the wideness of the leaves, but don't quote me on that. I don't know all the Latin names. I know some, but not all. Anyway, this is, as you can see, quite an old plant. I'm pretty sure it is an Argyroderma. If by chance I've made a mistake, someone's going to point it out. This was mixed up with my Chirodopsis plants, but I'm pretty sure it is Argyroderma. The only really sure way is when and if they bloom. This one's in a good old clay pot, showing a lot of dead leaves, which seems to be normal. Anyhow, assuming it is fissum, it's, as I say, from the Knersvlakte area. There, have you ever seen films or pictures, slides from that area? There is so many thousands of Argyroderma that just to walk across that area, you could step on the plants quite easily. There's so many of them. A very interesting part of South Africa. If anyone gets a chance to ever see a travelogue from one of our members or that, go along and have a look. It is certainly interesting. Yeah, I think that's all I've got to say about this one. Obviously don't overwater. This is more obliging than a lot of the Argyrodermas. A lot of the Argyrodermas tend to split if you overwater them, but this one seems to be more obliging. Anyway, as I have mentioned, a lot of you obviously know, it is a species of mesem, and they're quite popular. I understand they'll probably grow quite well from seed. Anyhow, that's all I've got to say on this one. Any questions, please ask. I'll try and get back. Yeah, that's it. That's one. It's in. Oh, did I show you the size? Let me give you an idea of the size. It's not enormous, but it's a decent size. And once again, like so many of my stuff, Show the pot. It does need a repot. But at the moment it's looking quite good. It's got through one of our very hot summers. Anyhow, thanks again for watching. I'll put this one up and have a look to see what's next. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Thank you.